Alleged goat thieves killed by police, gun seized. Farmer tied up, robbed of 23 goats and cash. Father who stabs 17-year-old daughter in police custody. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A farmer of Prickapole in Claremont, St. Anne, is now in hot water after allegedly robbing another farmer of 23 goats. Floyd Johnson, 28, is facing charges of robbery with aggravation and wounding with intent after the incident in his community on February 12. Reports from the police are that Johnson was among a group of men who forced open the door of the other farmer's dwelling and attacked him with machetes and stones. The victim attempted to flee, but his attackers chased and chopped him. He was then reportedly tied up and robbed of cash, farming appliances, and 23 goats. The man managed to free himself and was assisted by residents to seek medical treatment. Johnson was subsequently arrested by the police and charged. His court date is being arranged, the police stated. The father, who is accused of fatally stabbing his 17-year-old daughter, Shadi Calvert, is now in police custody. The man was placed under police guard after he was taken to the hospital for treatment on Tuesday, the police stated. Reports from the Elliston Road Police are that about 1:30 a.m., the man was found unconscious with his throat and both wrists slashed. He was taken to the hospital where he is currently being treated. He was being sought by the police after a dispute developed between him and the teenager on Sunday, during which a knife was used to inflict a wound to her chest. She was taken to the hospital where she died while receiving treatment. Investigations are ongoing.